Hello, preschool friends. This is part 2 of our Usborne Big Book of Stars and Planets. And today we're going to start talking about the sun. The sun is a star, a massive ball of powerful exploding gases. It gives the planets all their light and heat. The surface of the sun bubbles and churns. It's called the chromosphere, and it is 60 times hotter than boiling water. Solar prominences are huge fiery loops that shoot out into space. They can be 20 times bigger than the planet Earth. Can you see that? That's huge. Solar tornadoes are fast whirling funnels of gas. They're thousands of times bigger than tornadoes on the Earth. Look at that solar tornado. Wow. The corona is the layer of hot gases that surrounds the sun. It's 5,000 times hotter on the surface. Than the surface. It's 5,000 times hotter than the surface below. That is really hot right there. Corona layer. The sun lets out a powerful stream of hot gases into space. This is called the solar wind. And a fast riser is a small straight jet of gas that flies out of the sun. That is really cool. The sun is so powerful. Superstars. There are billions and billions of stars in space. New stars explode into life from hot, swirling clouds of gas and dust called nebula. Nebula can create amazing shapes. This is part of the Eagle Nebula. The dust and the gas get very, very hot and eventually fuse together and become exploding balls of gas called stars. How pretty is that nebula? Points of light like this are bright young stars. This is the Orion Nebula. It's the closest nebula to Earth. How pretty is that? Stars usually form in star clusters. These are star clusters right here. There are different types of stars. Red dwarfs are the smallest and the least powerful stars. These are the red dwarfs. Yellow dwarfs produce a steady amount of light and heat. Our sun is a yellow dwarf. That one looks small, but our sun is humongous. Sometimes the smaller stars circle even bigger stars. These are binary stars. These two, binary stars. Blue supergiants are huge stars, thousands of times hotter and brighter than the sun. It's really pretty, isn't it, friends? A huge star, such as a blue supergiant, ends its life in a massive explosion called a supernova. This one is known as the crab supernova because it looks like a little crab shell. Super pretty. The outer layer of some dying stars puff away in clouds of gas. This is the Cat's Eye Nebula around a dying star. The original star has turned into a small, heavy type of star called a white dwarf. Gigantic galaxies. Galaxies are enormous groups of billions of stars, nebula, gas, and dust. They form spectacular shapes. Isn't that beautiful, friend? This is an irregular galaxy called a cartwheel galaxy. It is made when two galaxies crashed into each other a very long time ago. Spiral galaxies have arms that curve out of a bulging bright middle. This is the M74 Gemini galaxy right here. The M74 Gemini galaxy. Elliptical galaxies are balls of old stars. This one is called Messier 60. It is the 60th galaxy discovered by Charles Messier, an 18th century astronomer. Some galaxies are merging, which means they're slowly joining together to become one huge galaxy. See these guys coming together? These are actually two merging galaxies called the mice galaxies because they look like mice with long tails. Do you see that, friends? They look a little bit like mice with long tails coming out. We are part of the Milky Way galaxy, a barred spiral galaxy with arms coming out of the bar-shaped middle of our galaxy. Our sun is just one of its stars. The middle of the Milky Way looks very bright because there are lots of hot, glowing stars there. Our solar system is on one of the outer arms of the Milky Way. Galaxies exist together in groups, and the Milky Way's group is called the local group, and it has 54 galaxies in it. The closest galaxy to the Milky Way is the Andromeda galaxy. Okay, that's all for this part of the video, friends. I will make a third part of the video and we will talk about exploring space.